In this video, I will show you how to enable comments on YouTube. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on YouTube. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto your profile icon, and what you want to do first is come down and click onto YouTube Studio. So what it's going to do is take you into your studio. Now there's a couple of things you're going to want to check from here. The first thing you're going to want to do is come over to this menu on the left hand side, and in the bottom left hand corner you're going to see an option for settings. So what you want to do is give that a click to open up your settings. Then what you want to do is come to this menu on the left hand side and click onto channel. Now at the top you want to click onto advanced settings. So first of all you want to check to see if your channel is made for kids. So basically if your channel is made for kids, then by default comments, notifications and stories will be disabled. This is just part of the rules if you do make content for kids. So if you do make content for kids, then unfortunately you're not going to be able to turn on comments. If you don't make content for kids, what you can do is select this option here which says no, set this channel is not made for kids, in which case you're going to be able to turn on comments. There's also an option here, so if you make content for both kids and not for kids, then you can actually review this setting for every video. So once you've chosen your option, make sure to come down and click the save button down here, and then you can just come out of your settings. Now what you can also do is enable content for individual videos. So again, from your studio, if you come to this menu on the left hand side and click onto content, then what you can do is choose which video you want to enable comments for. So let's go for the top one here. So I'm just going to click onto this to bring up the details of this video. Now from here what you want to do is scroll down the page and you're going to see a section about comments. So you just want to keep scrolling down, it's just a bit down the page, and you can see down here we've got an option for comments and ratings. So you want to make sure this is turned on. If it's currently turned off, of course comments are not going to be enabled. And again, if you do turn on comments or make any changes, be sure to come up to the top right hand corner and click the blue save button. Now if you're uploading videos and by default it's not turning on comments, what you're going to want to do is come back into your settings. So on this menu on the left hand side you want to click onto settings. Then what you want to do is come to this menu on the left hand side and click onto upload defaults. From here, come up to the top and click onto advanced settings, and from here you want to scroll down and you're going to see an option for comments. So what you want to do is make sure this is turned on, which means that every video that you upload to YouTube will by default have the comments turned on and enabled. So that is how to enable comments on YouTube. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.